Welcome back to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and I have a cool little episode for you guys today. We have a lot of events to go through, and one in particular you're not going to want to miss. So shout out to all the supporters here on the TV. Make sure to give them all a follow. And if you want to follow me as well, my name is Will Pousant, and this is Slide Through News. First event coming up is a Thursday night drift event, May 29th. This is Flavor Express at Orange Show Speedway. Go check it out. It's $100 to drive. If you've never driven a bank course before, this is one to check out. The bank is super mellow, but it's super long. So go have yourself a good time with Flavor Express. If you want to get yourself some practice for the next Ultimate Drifting Challenge round, it's going down this weekend for practice, May 31st at Orange Show Speedway. So go check it out if you want to get some practice for the Ultimate Drifting Challenge competition that's coming up the week after. Stay tuned to more details on that. This is one to check out, Orange Show Speedway with Ultimate Drifting Challenge, May 31st. Are you ready for DriftCon Round 2 at Evergreen Speedway? It's going down this weekend, and they put a cool little edit for you guys to check out. Let's go ahead and watch this edit full screen. Make sure to give Evergreen a follow and also DriftCon. Let's check it out. Formula Drift is back at it for round 3. This is going down at Orlando Speed World. This is the seating bracket, and then this is going to be the big show, top 32. So the people from the seating bracket have to make it into the big show. This is going to eliminate some people right away. So if you want to check out Formula Drift, it's going down this weekend. And they put an edit together for you guys to check out. Let's watch it full screen.
Round 3, Orlando Speed. This May 30th to 31st. Get your tickets now.
At the last Clutch Kickers round, Race Data Labs put together this cool little scoring thing where you could check out the car's angle and all that good stuff live right away. So that way it takes the judging to a whole nother perspective. So if you want to check it out, make sure to go follow Race Data Labs. Go see their technology, and this could be the future of drifting. Let's check this out full screen.
Nice toss in from Ben. All right. These are the Texas boys holding it down for Lone Star Drift scene. And it shows those guys are here to drive. Woo! Flores through the sweeper, just on it. Let's go into the last outer zone here.
Oh, man, they said if you're going to have to make us battle each other, you're going to have to...
It was just announced that Spec D Drift Series is now a contender to get into Formula Drift. We got Buddha Eyes filming this super cool edit. We're going to check this one out full screen, and shout out to Spec D Drift Series for holding it down for Canada.
Hey, this is Jared Deanda, the voice of Formula Drift, and we'd like to present to you the official Canadian Licensing Partner Series, Spec D and BCDA Drift Series.
Another great driver we're going to check out is Hurt. Hurt was over at Grid Life driving like he does best. This is some in-car footage of his pedal movement and also his steering control. Let's go ahead and check this out full screen, and you guys all know who Hurt is. This week's media feature is going to be Sending It Media. That's Nicholas Lynn. Make sure to give him a follow. Make sure to check out all his media that he's been providing. And let's check this out full screen of the stuff that he sent my way. RTL Media back at it once again, getting this super sick shot of the Kuroshi boys at Final Bout. If you don't know who they are, they also do Piled Up podcasts. Go ahead and check them out, guys, and let's watch this full screen. If you don't know who the Car Shop Kuroshi boys are, there's some guys that do the Piled Up podcast, and right here is some footage from CoraWorks at Final Bout. This is Power Omen in the middle of his team, and these are some great shots of his Corolla. Let's go ahead and check this out full screen. And if you don't know who CoraWorks is, they make a lot of cool things for S chassis and other cars as well. Go ahead and check them out, give them a follow, and make sure to check out the Piled Up podcast. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Slide Through News. Thanks for checking out the channel, everyone, and make sure to give everyone a follow that I mentioned in today's episode. And if you haven't checked out Slide Through News, you need to tell your friends about it, because I'm posting drift news and drift-related content throughout the week, and also on YouTube for the full episode if you want to see it horizontal, like a TV show almost. Thanks for sliding through to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and we'll see you guys next week.